Hello everyone, today I'm testing a new tool on OpenAI I found completely by accident. I was just looking for something to help me make short videos quickly. No editing skills, no software headache, and I came across this platform, call it VEO2. What really caught my attention was their promise. They say you can create realistic characters, add voiceover, choose background music, even build full scenes, all without needing any editing experience at all. Sounds too good to be true, right? So I thought, okay, let's see what it can really do. And to make it fair, I didn't buy a subscription. I just signed up for free and started testing from scratch. First off, when you register, they give you 40 free credits. And I'll be honest, that's barely enough to test anything. You can try only generate 4 pairs of images, which is almost nothing if you actually want to create a full video. But I decided to try anyway. I picked a basic option and hit generate. Then I waited and waited some more. And mind you, this was just for a still image. It said 300 seconds. Then 600 seconds. And in the end, I think it took me more than 8,300 seconds. Of course I cancelled it. Yeah, it's around 2.5 hours. Crazy. And just to generate a single picture. Not even a video. It's basically just teaser. So yeah, if you're thinking of making something serious, forget the free plan. I realized pretty quickly that I had to upgrade if I wanted to test anything properly. And that's exactly what I did. Once I upgraded, things opened up a lot. So what does VEO2 actually offer? Well, it's not just an image generator. It's a full toolkit, which can help to save time. The most interesting feature for me was the character builder. You can choose the body type, pose, facial expression, style, even whether your character looks realistic or anime. It's super flexible. Also, here's some templates which you can use. But creating a character costs 2000 credits, so I decided to skip that part this time. Because my original goal was to test video generation from text, not the characters. But if you're curious about that part, leave a comment and I will make a separate video. Okay, there is also a feature called beta chat, where you can brainstorm video ideas and get help writing scripts or prompts. But I don't use it. Plus, there are some enhancers that help upgrade the quality of your video, audio or photos. I'm using them sometimes. They work pretty well, actually. The interface itself looks modern and it's pretty easy to navigate, even in the advanced mode. Everything feels clean and understandable. Next, I decided to generate my first video, without any enchantment. I wanted to see what the engine could do in its own. It cost 350 credits. Let's see what we get. I choose the standard realism model, cause this one I mainly use. Added my text prompt and hit generate. So, 370 credits was charged for 5-second video. I want to remind you about 40 credits for the free plan. Not possible to make any video. It took about 1 minute to create the video. Not bad. And the cool part, the AI followed the text pretty accurately. It gave me exactly what I asked for. I have specific prompt. Then I decided to test the mobile version. The price per generation is slightly different there. This time I added background music and tried out the voiceover options. I mind to use one. VEO offers a few different voices to choose from. Let's listen them.
Ready to create something fresh? Start generating with
OpenArt delivers.
No rush, just
Looking for reliable, powerful generation.
Hey there, your ideas matter.
This season, give your imagination a gift. Generate.
Jump in and create something
Looking for reliable, powerful generation.
But honestly, none of them match the mood of my video. So I skip the voiceover and just keep the visuals and music. And for the background music, I added a prompt as well. Till we're waiting, let me show you some styles, what they have here. VEO 2 gives you a whole set of visual styles to choose from, like cinematic, cartoon, realistic, and more. Generation time was still about 1 or 1.5 minutes, which is reasonable. Let's take a look. Okay, scary enough, but let's talk about the downsides. Sometimes the platform just doesn't work. I got random error messages. A few times it wouldn't generate anything at all. One time it even said my prompt was inappropriate, and all I wrote was a girl walking on the beach. The system can be very sensitive. You have to reply things or try again, and while they return your credits, you lose your time. Nobody wants it. Now let me show you what did I actually manage to create. Here are a few examples. First, I make a dark underwater scene featuring a mysterious girl. The prompt was meant for a creepy mood, and it totally delivered. It's also a nice one. The lighting and camera movements were smooth and realistic, almost like a 3D film. It was impressive. Now let's change the style. Then I made a video of a girl surfing at sunset, styled like a GTA cutscene. It wasn't perfect, the character and style didn't fully match, but it was very atmospheric. It actually gave me ideas for future clips. So here's another scene. Better sunset, nice vibe, great animation overall. I feel like I'm playing the game. Give a like if you like it. I was happy with it. And the third one. So let's zoom it up. I'm gonna say what I think. Free plan, honestly, it's just a demo. You can barely test anything. Paid plan, much better. That's where the real power starts to show. Yes, it still has bugs. Yes, it's still a bit raw, but the potential is real, especially if you want to create videos fast without editing them manually. And it is definitely great for a few minutes video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I try to create a full scene with voiceover and dynamic camera movements next time. So stay tuned, and I'll see you soon.